We're skipping around, you guys.
Can't hold us down.
Keep up.
Yeah, let's take a chance on the bush.
Hey, Fry. So from the Marls, we have sailed the Berries for a few days and then gone to New Providence and then down to the Exumas. And we've been doing that for, I guess, a couple of weeks.
And boy, have the Exumas changed.
Yeah, we were not big fans of the Exumas. All the anchorages were super rolly. Never stayed in anchorage that rolly before.
I was knocking shit off the shelves last night.
Oh my god. I literally rolled on top of Spencer at one point because it was so, like, it jostled us so violently. There were tons of mega yachts, like mega yachts.
Oh, they had water slides? Those are pretty cool.
And jet skis. And then all the property has been bought up, so you couldn't really go to the beach. They all had private property signs, which I know you don't really have to listen to, but we did. So we decided to scratch the whole thing and start heading back north.
Also, everything on the boat is broken. There's more broken things than operating things, so it's probably time to go take care of old Flapjack.
Yeah. So we're headed back to the States, but before we do, we're gonna hit the Berries, which is where we are right now, for a couple of days, maybe a week or so, just to round out the whole trip.
Yeah, let's top it off nice.
Yeah, exactly. Then we're gonna head back to Florida.
And we're gonna get pizza and a cheap beer, and we're very excited about that.
Or Italian sub.
Oh,
I'm so
pretty
excited
good.
about Italian
We'll get both.
subs.
How's that?
Italian sub.
Man.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. So Fries, we're back in the States, if you couldn't tell by our awesome Publix hoagies. An Italian sub.
Got Italian seasoning too.
So good. We didn't film a lot in our last couple of weeks in the Bahamas, but we did film some. Like, remember that time that barge almost hit us in the middle of the night?
Oh yeah.
Wild. Oh, do you see there's two tugs? And they're turning it. Yeah, it's so helpless. Like, what do we do? Put out a bumper? Should we worry about that front bit getting closer?
Well, it's not a good bit to get close to you. You gonna grab the binocs to make it a name on that tug and we'll give them a holler?
Yeah.
Are we okay where we are, or should we move for you guys?
We're the sailboat.
I guess you're okay, Octopus. I guess you're okay.
Okay, standing by 16, Captain. Thank you very much.
Roger.
I guess you're okay? What the does that mean? I guess you're okay. I mean, if they hit us, they're gonna hit us really slow, right?
Yeah. It's
So we'll just like tie up to them.
yeah, okay.
We're just gonna trust it, it'll all work out.
Well, we're gonna hang out here, obviously.
Oh, okay.
Chill out a bit.
Yeah.
And you go inside, have some cocktails, watch a show. It's all good.
Okay.
It's great. These guys, right here. Boop, boop, boop. So luckily nothing happened last night, these jokers over here, but they got pretty damn close to us. Making an exciting evening. Remember when it wasn't us that ran aground?
For once. And Dave was almost dying. That was crazy. Morning! We're up early today because even though this is a great anchorage, we're traveling with Island Pearl again, and Dave has some meds that apparently if he doesn't get, he dies. So we are headed to Great Harbor to get his meds and then to wait for a weather window to head back to the States.
So we're up in the northern part of Bimini. Not Bimini. We're up in the northern part of the Berry Islands, and there's a really skinny little spot you got to get through to get out of here. And to hit it on the right tide, you have to leave really early in the morning, and I think we may have missed it. So here is our friends hitting the ground, and I believe it's on a falling tide, so this could be kind of a shit show. For the first time, it's not us on the ground.
And they're off! We made it through! It wasn't even that lean, so that's good. We still had a foot and a half under us.
Days of water.
Yeah. Great. The Let's see if Island Pearl hits after that. Watch, I tell them, it's all good, and then they hit.
And that dope blue hole in berries, that was pretty cool.
That was cool. You'd like jump off, I don't know how many feet.
Hundreds.
Doesn't matter.
Little bomb.
Also, that mangrove, like, weird alleyway that cut through the island.
Oh, the turtles?
Mm-hmm. Then you ended up on the other side of the island.
This is a mukbang, is what I call it.
Mm-hmm.
We're trending.
That's exactly what I want.
Oh, what?
Bahamas trip next year. Yes, I can. Can and I will. Dang it. Right there.
Well, Fries, thanks for reminiscing with us about our last couple days and last couple weeks in the Bahamas.
Yeah, it was super fun. Now we're stateside, and we'll still keep the content coming. Don't worry.
Yeah, you can see us shop at Publix. Maybe take public transit.
Just a lot of public activities.
I might get a haircut. Yeah.
Really? Okay. This week we want to thank Spoon Drifters. They also have a YouTube channel, but they are a paid subscriber of ours, so that's really sweet. Thank you guys, we really appreciate it. Get yourself a public sandwich.
Get yourself a sandwich. Thanks for helping me fix my decks. I'm taking that money and I'm throwing it right in our decks.
Yeah, exactly. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. In order to do so, you need to be signed in, and then hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit the little bell so you get notifications every time we upload a video.
Podcast.
Also, go listen to our podcast. We've had some really great topics recently, some controversial ones.
Some a little heated.
But we think you'll enjoy it. So go check it out either on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play.
I think we're reading a podcast.
Yeah, and also on our website. You can go directly download them from our website under the podcast tab. That's it, Fries.
Bye, Fries.
See you next week.
God, remember.